Namaskar. Nowadays, I see so many young children wearing thick glasses and having a lot of eye problems. The number of people suffering from bad eyesight is increasing a lot. According to 2021 report, 27.5 crore Indians or 23% of our country has weak eyesight. Doctors also say that almost 30,000 children report weak eyesight every year. Two of the biggest reason behind all this is prolonged exposure to screen and malnourishment. You can give your family the gift of healthy vision by making simple lifestyle changes like reducing screen time. Another powerful way is to ensure proper diet. For proper nutrition, you can try this unique herbal carrot juice, and this will work wonders for your eye health. The ingredients you need for this carrot juice are 4 medium-sized carrots peeled and chopped, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger peeled, half teaspoon turmeric powder or 1-inch little piece of turmeric root, juice of half a lemon, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of cinnamon, water as required, ginkgo biloba herb powder, 1/3 teaspoon or 0.2 milligram. To make this juice, you must first wash and peel the carrots and ginger. Cut the carrot into smaller pieces for easier blend. Next, add carrot, ginger and turmeric into blender along with the water. Blend until smooth. Then use a fine mesh strainer to separate the juice from a pulp if you prefer a smoother drink. Now stir in the lemon juice, ginkgo biloba herb powder, black pepper and a pinch of cinnamon to the strained juice. This will enhance both the flavor and absorption of juice. This juice is very beneficial because carrot contains beta-carotene. Your body turns this beta-carotene into vitamin A, and vitamin A is crucial for healthy eyesight because vitamin A helps in the formation of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina which helps us to see even in low light conditions. Vitamin A is also essential for the health of cornea, the transparent front surface of the eye. Without enough vitamin A, the eyes can become dry and uncomfortable. The other ingredients in this juice, like ginger, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eye. Ginkgo biloba herb powder helps in proper circulation and protect the eye from oxidative stress caused by UV rays. The vitamin C in lemon juice supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes and may reduce the risk of cataract and age-related macular degeneration. Each ingredient in this juice works synergistically to provide nutrients that can protect, hydrate, and maintain a healthy eyesight. So it's a great addition to your diet for eye wellness. Take care of your eyes. They are the windows through which you can see the beauty and the splendor of this world. Namaskar.